Hi everyone, this is Professor Evolution 8. Sylveon GX Lunala, Altar of the Sun from Sun and Moon Strengthening Expansion Pack was shown. It says here we now have the first sneak peek at 3 cards from Japan's first Sun and Moon mini set, named Sun and Moon Strengthening Expansion Pack. It says here Bangrus and Vincent did the translations. We're going to have a quick look at these things. Here's the Sylveon GX, which looks very awesome. I love the effects and the colors and everything on this card. It says here it's got HP 200. For a fairy energy, it does magical ribbon. Search your deck for up to 3 cards and put them into your hand. Shuffle your deck afterwards. For a fairy and 2 colors energy, it does fairy wind for 110 damage. For fairy and 2 colors energy, Para GX, pick 2 of your opponent's bench Pokemon. Your opponent returns those Pokemon and all cards attached to them, or his or her hand. That may be awesome. You can probably use it in battles. It might help if you've got a Pokemon which you really want to get rid of. And here's a look at the next one. We got Lunala, which is HP 160, evolves from Cosmoem. For Psychic Energy, it does Burst Ball. 40 times damage, does 40 damage times the number of Psychic Energy attached to this Pokemon. For free Psychic Energy, Full Moon Wing does 150 damage. Move all energy attached to this Pokemon to your bench Pokemon in any way you like. It might see some use in the meta. We'll have to see what happens in decks and all that. I'm sure someone will make a deck focusing around this card. Then we got Altar of the Sun Trainer, which is a stadium, which is our first stadium we've seen so far for the Sun and Moon sets. It says here each player's R and M Pokemon have no weakness, which I presume will be Fire and Steel. Yep. This card stays in play when you play it. Discard the card if another stadium card comes into play. If another card with the same name is in play, you can't play this card. So this will actually be quite cool for Fire and Metal Pokemon, as they'll have no weakness, so they can last longer in the game. So this will be actually quite useful. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Goodbye.